Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add more fonts into CapCut PC. So you're just going to go to any font website. I'm just going to go to the font one and I'm going to start downloading this font. And once it's done, I'm going to go and extract everything. Just going to extract it here and I'm going to select the font and I'm going to select install. Open CapCut. If you've already opened it, close it again because it does need to install. So literally close everything and reopen the app. And I'm just going to open up a new project here. Go to text, add in default text, and you're going to find the font there. So go to font. You can search for the font name. And you're just going to select it. You can also change the colors if you'd like to. But that's pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comments section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!